Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix 0x800f08a Windows update error. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Click on Start, click on Settings, click on Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooter, click on Windows Update, run the troubleshooter. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type Services, click and open it. Search for Windows Update, make startup type to manual, click on Apply, click on OK. Method 3. Go to Windows search bar, type Control Panel, click on Program and Features, click on Turn Windows Features on or off, make sure you have first option checked, expand and check both the option, click on OK, restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.